Hey, let's check out some PowerShell. Let's do get service. This will just output a list of services that are on the machine, right? And what I like to do whenever I output some data onto a screen that I want to manipulate or play with later, I will put it into a variable. So we'll do services equal get service, right? And we'll see that that same data is in the services variable. This variable happens to be an array, and we can see that by doing a get type, right? System.array. Now, because it's an array, we can do something like services square bracket 0 square bracket close, and you can see the first element in that array. Now, you're only seeing three pieces of data here: the status, the name, and the display name. What you can do here is you can pipe this to a command called format list, and it will show you more data. But I know there's more data than this. So let's go up on the keyboard and come back to this and do a select object star, and then we'll pipe it again to format list to basically select everything that's there. And yeah, we can see there's more. So cool, right? Now, let's say we wanted to do something like we wanted to pull all services that have a start type of manual. Okay, so we'll use our variable here so that we don't have to continually re-query the data. We'll pipe services to where object. We'll open and close some curly brackets. $_ processes the pipeline input. So what you're feeding from the services variable is passing to where object. And we're going to look specifically at what do we say? We said start type, right? So start type equals, and then we'll put manual. And this will return all the services that are manual. So let's take this data and go all the way back, and we'll store this in a variable. And so now you can compare that our services, initial services with everything was 208. Wow, that's a lot. And are specifically the services that we stored in here are less, right? Now let's take a look at this manual services again, and we'll pipe this to select object. Oops, select object star pipe format list. Let's take a look at, oh, I didn't mean to do that to the entire array, but that's fine. Let's look at, I don't know, binary path name looks cool. So let's take this and say, let's select the binary path name for every manual service. Okay, we have a list of paths. We can do something fancy. Let's say we'll sort this, right? So we have a list of paths. Now, for whatever reason, you needed to quickly copy this to a notepad. Sure, you could do an out file and you can give it a file name and stuff, but hey, we're cool. You can just do clip. You know what that does? Stores it in the clipboard. This is literally on your clipboard right now. You can open up a notepad, Control V, and paste. Just a quick way to get stuff out of the PowerShell terminal when you're working in it. So I hope that helps. It's kind of cool. Talk to you later.